So I'm going to be doing a update video on what progress I've made to my uni games project. The main progress I've done today is a main menu. So this is why the screen's black instead of showing the level. I'll show you the reason why the screen's black, why the overview is black now. Because when you start the game up now, it pops with a menu with three options: play, options, and quick game. In options has working settings, which proof it works. I'll set shadow quality to low to show that the shadows of the character have gone. When you play, starts into the game, and the player's character, the character's shadow is gone. I've also implemented a pause menu where pressing escape. You can exit game, which will take you back to the main menu, and resume, of course, resumes, but you can resume the game by just pressing escape again. In the first update video, I forgot to mention one of the blueprints that I worked on for the collectible. There's a temporary name right now is Gem, so you will go on for the event active begin overlap, and go to cast side character, and from object instead of going it from other actor, you'll get from player character, and coming out of as side scroller character, you'll have two, one for setting the score and one to actually get the score. And when getting the score, I'll add one for set, and then with that done, it will print in the top of the screen the +1 for the collectible collected, and side collectible will then be destroyed. It's quite simple. I will now show how I've done the UI. Give me a second. Now the main menu is simply a background picture and three buttons, and each button has text in it, and the background is just an image. With each button, this is the blueprints for it. So the play button will just simply open the first level. Clicking options will remove that screen and create a new widget called options, which I'll show in a minute, and add that to the screen, the viewport. And the quit button simply quits out the game. And this is the options menu that I showed earlier. This has a bit of code as well, mainly for the option buttons and back. The back simply takes you back to the main menu, and this is the code. These are the code for the screen resolution, anti-aliasing, shadow quality, and textures. With all these, you use an execute console command. For screen resolution, it's r set res, r full stop set res as one word, and then the desired resolution. For anti-aliasing, it's r dot post processing AA quality, and with anti-aliasing it goes up in increments of 2 starting at 0, so 0, 2, 4, and 6. And when we move to shadow and texture quality, it goes increments of 1, so 0, 1, 2, and 3. And instead of using r dot for these, it's sg dot, so sg dot shadow quality and sg dot texture quality. And to actually get this level to show up, I simply made a main menu character and a spawn point for there, but just of nothing, so it's easy to do. And the pause. I'll go on to the pause menu now. Pause menu is even simpler. I put a blur background effect, and I set that to 4, and then I got the resume and exit button with the game pause text at the top. These buttons are designed the same way as the options menu, but I'll also show them. So for resume, it will unpause the game. That's clicking the resume button, unpauses the game, will remove this from the screen and remove the mouse cursor. And this one, exit level, simply exits back to the main menu. I think that's about it. Let's double check. yeah, that's about it. Yeah. So that's my second update on my game project.